Adding respect to your English, titles and honorifics. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to our series on intermediate grammar. Today, we're diving into a unique and vital aspect of English language learning, using titles and honorifics. This topic is not only about the rules of English grammar, but also a significant part of the culture and etiquette surrounding the English language. Titles and honorifics show respect, establish relationships, and facilitate polite and formal interactions. So, let's get started. In English, titles are often used before a person's name to show respect or to indicate a person's job or status. For example, we use doctor for a medical practitioner or PhD holder, professor for a university teacher, and Mr., Mrs., Ms., or Miss for men and women respectively. Honorifics, on the other hand, are terms or phrases we use to show respect or deference. These include expressions like sir or ma'am, used with or without a person's name. You might hear Your Honor in a courtroom addressing a judge, or Your Majesty addressing a king or queen. Using titles properly is key to speaking English politely and formally. If you're unsure which title to use, Mr. for men and Ms. for women are safe options in most contexts. If a person has a professional title, such as doctor or professor, it's polite to use it. For instance, if you're talking to Dr. Jane Smith, you would say, "Good morning, Dr. Smith," not, "Good morning, Jane." Remember, we generally do not use a title and first name together. Instead, we use the title with the last name. So it's Mr. Smith, not Mr. John. When it comes to honorifics, context matters. Sir and ma'am are commonly used in formal or professional settings. When addressing a stranger or in a customer service situation, these honorifics add a level of respect to the conversation. In some cultures, however, using sir and ma'am frequently can be seen as overly formal. As with many aspects of language learning, it's important to be observant of the culture and social norms in the English-speaking environment you are in. Thank you for joining us in this video about titles and honorifics. We hope this will add a new level of refinement and understanding to your English communication. Keep practicing, and remember, understanding the culture is as important as understanding the grammar. We'll see you next time. Happy learning!